Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can run cheap ads on the Meta platform. So before now, it is way better and cheaper to run ads on the Meta platform. I mean, with just 1,000 naira, you can run ads and still get value for the 1,000 naira. As at today, you can run ads for 3,000 naira per day and not get significant value from it. Do you understand? You know what I mean, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run ads for as little as 1 naira per conversion, just like the one I have here on my screen. I'll just put a screenshot along this video so you get to see what I'm talking about. I was able to run 1 naira per conversion. Okay, so this is a very straight to the point video, and I urge you to watch this video to the end so that you don't get to miss the important parts of this tutorial. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into our screen. So the first thing you want to do is to go into your ads manager account. So when you get there, you click on the create button and select your campaign objective. But this time around, we'll be using the engagement campaign objective to run this cheap ads. Okay, then go ahead and click on continue. At this point, you want to go ahead with the manual engagement campaign, then click on continue, and this will bring us to our ads in proper. At this level, there's little or nothing to do here aside from changing our campaign name. So you want to go ahead and rename your campaign at this level. So let me name this tutorial, and then I'll go back, then come to this side of my screen here and click next. When that is done, this will bring us to our ads level. Our ads level, we want to repeat the same thing. Go ahead and rename your campaign. Okay, so let me just rename this tutorial again, tutorial. And then at our conversion level, remember our goal is to run cheap ads, right? So our conversion level, at our conversion level, we want to go ahead and select on your ads, which is the second one. Click it. What this on your ad does is to get people to watch or interact on your post. Okay, so when you click on your ad, now the engagement type, you want to leave it on video views. Then the performance goal, you want to leave maximize for true play. Okay, you want to maximize for true play. This way you'll be able to run cheap ads on the Meta platform. Then you want to go ahead and choose the campaign budget you are comfortable to work with. All right, so since it's a cheap campaign, you want to go ahead and run 2,000 naira per day. Okay, you want to go ahead and run 2,000 naira per day. Now after that, go ahead and select your location. I mean the location you want to target with your ad. But this time around, instead of choosing per countries, you want to go with choosing per cities, not states. This time you want to go ahead with cities. So for instance, instead of choosing the whole of Lagos, state, you want to go ahead and choose only Ikeja, like a part of Lagos state. Okay, so you want to go ahead and choose Ikeja. Or instead of choosing the whole of Rivers State, you want to go ahead and choose Port Harcourt. Do you understand? So just go ahead and choose your location per city. So when all of that is done, at your audience plus advantage plus audience level right here, see it here, at your advantage plus audience level right here, now you want to go ahead with the manual setup. Instead of going automatic, you want to go with the manual setup. Okay, so you choose the age range for your industry, then go ahead and choose the gender, if it's female based or male based. All right, so when all of that is selected, if you need to do detailed targeting, please go ahead and do detailed targeting. But while doing that, keep your eyes on this place here. Keep your eyes on the estimated audience right over here. See, keep your eyes on the estimated audience right over here when doing the detailed targeting. Okay, let it be at least 3 million, the estimated audience size. Okay, when doing the detailed targeting. So when all of that is done, you want to go ahead and edit your placement. So click on the placement level right here. Let me circle this so that you can see the placement level. This is the placement level right there. So you want to go ahead and click on the edit button and then click manual. This time around we are going manual all through. Okay, so you want to go ahead and uncheck messenger uncheck audience network, then leave it for Instagram and Facebook. Okay, leave it for Instagram and Facebook. So you want to scroll down and click on next, the last button right there. So at your ad creative level, you want to go ahead and select the Facebook page you want to use for the ad. So I'll leave mine at this, but if you don't want, if you have so many Facebook pages on your profile, you want to select the particular one you would want to use, just like the one I have here. All right, so I'll leave it at that. When that is settled, you want to scroll down and click on ad setup. Now at this ad setup level, you want to use existing post. Okay, when the existing post pops up, you want to select, see it right here, you want to select post, click on select post at the ad creative level. Okay, click on select post, and this will bring you to all the posts that you have on your Facebook page. Okay, so let me go ahead and select this particular one. I'll go ahead and select that. So when that is selected, I'll just minimize this thing so you can see it, and then click on continue right there. I'll click on continue right there. So this brings us to our ad creative. Okay, this is the ad creative you want to use. All right, now the interesting thing about this whole thing is that though our conversion location was on your ads, however, you can still receive WhatsApp messages from this ad. Okay, so we have our call to action button right there. You want to select the call to action. Okay, now see the call to action, see send message. No, I don't want them to send a message. I just want them to learn more. Okay, that if I'm taking them to a website, but if I want them to message me on my WhatsApp, however, the conversion location is on your ad, but I still want them to message me on my WhatsApp when they see my ad. So go ahead and select send messages. Okay, then that is that for that. You want to review everything that it is okay. When you see that everything is okay, then you want to go ahead and click on publish. Go ahead and click on publish. Now your post will be published and your ads will keep running. So this is how you can run Facebook cheap ads. Okay, now the cheat code here is on your ad, engagement campaign on your ad. I hope you learned something from this. And if you learn something from this, you want to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, so that YouTube get to show this video to as many people that needs it. And do not forget to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I post useful videos just like this. If you have any question, I'll be right in the comment section to answer any of your questions. And if this video helps you again, please just comment the word thank you. This will help me a lot. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.